Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 19 June 2018, 11:01 minute and 20 second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, how do you set the moon dial on a grandfather clock? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about how do you set the moon dial on a grandfather clock. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about how do you set the moon dial on a grandfather clock. If you have a grandfather clock with moon phase, follow these instructions. To set moon dial, apply slight pressure with your fingers to the front of the moon dial. Rotate the moon dial clockwise until the moon is directly below the number 15 on the dial. See Figure 5. Last update September 29, 2010. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.